and welcome to a short tutorial on how to add titles to your debate video. So the first thing you do is click on Maps and Backgrounds. If this is wider, you can see that says Backgrounds. And choose a background or a map that you want to use as your background. And just drag it in. So at the beginning of your video, you should have a title that tells people what it is. So I'm just going to take one of the titles and drag it on. Debate video. The only problem with that is I should have my name on there somewhere as well. So let's choose a different one that allows me to have a subtitle. Okay. Then after that introduces the overall video, but we want to have a little title before the introduction. If you'll notice on your outline that Ms. Michelli provided, there are sections to the debate. The introduction, the rebuttal, the response, and the conclusion. So we'll have a part in our video that introduces each of those pieces. So I could use this one this time, but put in one more I can either extend this background and add a new title onto it, or I can add a different background for the new title. I'll just use a different background for now. And stick it right in between those two things. Then under titles, this is where I could put this title, introduction. Okay. So then the next section is the rebuttal, and I'm going to choose the same background and title so that it's consistent and looks nice. Okay, that was where I took out a big pause, so that's not really the new part. Then this section, and of course you should be listening to yours to make sure that you're putting these in the right spaces. Again, I did not do an actual debate, so it's harder for me, and I've just got an example video that I created. Rebuttal, response, and then, as always, at the end of a video, I like to add, I'm not sure I really like that particular title, but at the same time, I like to have some kind of closure. Thank you for watching, and my name again. It's always good to give yourself credit. Here is a list again of the titles you should have. The first one, which includes your name, and the name of the video itself, the introduction, the rebuttal, the response, the conclusion, and some kind of closure at the end, some final slide. This would be also where you would put credits if you were doing something where you needed to provide credit for video or pictures that you used that belonged to someone else. Once you have finished editing and you've watched it, you've listened to it, and made sure that it all works properly, the next step will be to share it and upload it to your language arts portfolio. That will be covered in a separate video. Mary Curie, why she is the most important person in history, the most influential person in history. Okay, again, yours will be much better than mine because you'll actually be doing a debate. Mine is just an example of me talking. All right, thank you for watching.